If your goal is to make some extra cash this summer, you've come to the right video. Whether you want to make money from home, make money online, or get out of the house to earn your extra cash, we've got you covered with this amazing list of easy money-making ideas. They range from part-time work to passive income, but most are side gigs you could easily do during this summer. Here is a list of our favorite ways to earn extra cash and make money online. Watch this video until the end and find the ones that are best for you. Even if you don't have a lot of money to invest, you don't have to let that stop you. You can start investing with $5 or less and start investing in the technology companies of the tomorrow, such as Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. Stash.com was built to help beginner investors like you to get started. You can buy fractional shares or partial shares in companies that are household names like Apple, Google, Amazon, and much more. Normally, a single share of these companies could cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but you only need as little as $5 to get started with Stash. As a bonus, Stash will give you $10 to invest after you deposit $5 or more into your personal portfolio. Did you know you can earn money taking online surveys? It's true. You can help brands improve their products and services and get paid for your sharing your opinion. Survey Junkie pays you instantly via PayPal to fill out surveys. You can earn up to $4 to $5 per survey. 20 million members and an A+ rating with the BBB can't be wrong. Join the crowd today and get started earning good money. You could earn $225 with this one, but it's not the average. Getting paid to watch viral videos is a real way to earn actual cash, and you can do it with a company called Inbox Dollars. No, it's not going to get you rich. And yes, it's probably one of the lowest effort side hustles. But it's totally worth your time if you're just sitting on the couch scrolling TikTok videos anyway. Instead of watching viral videos on YouTube or TikTok, you could be getting paid actual cash to watch those videos instead. Every little bit of extra money counts. It's simple. You sign up here and confirm your email. Then you watch. Then you earn cash. Yes, actual cash, not points. Watching these videos whenever you're just chilling on the couch, see how much extra you could earn every month. Have extra space and want to make money off it. Maybe you've got an unused driveway, garage, basement, shed, or parking spot. If it's just sitting there, you could turn that unused space into passive income every single month, without ever lifting a finger. Neighbor is a website that lets you rent out your unused space to make extra money on autopilot. Seriously, you just sign up on their site, list what space you have available, and people in your city can rent out your unused space to store their stuff while paying you a premium for the storage. The entire process works seamlessly and money is deposited into your account automatically. You don't even need to move anything. Your renters will move their stuff in and out on their own, while you collect a sweet paycheck month after month. Oh, and you're protected by up to $1 million in liability insurance too. The next way of making money online is to earn cash shopping and making deliveries. Earning extra cash as a full-service shopper within Stackart is simple. Just shop for groceries, then deliver them. Signing up is simple, and you can make your own schedule and choose the hours that work best for you. The best part, you can get paid within an hour of your delivery with their instant cash-out option. Stackart can even tell you which days are the best to work to help you maximize your earnings. Personal loans could help you fund some of the most important moments in your life. And one is a marketplace for finding loan providers for those big endeavors of your life. Here's how it works. First of all, you head to M1 and enter a bit of info about the loan you need. Then M1 intelligently matches you with lenders perfect for you. Finally, if approved, money is available and deposited to your account. The very next day, loan consultants will even help you sift through all your options to find the best loan for your specific needs. Why not see if you qualify? It will not affect your credit score. Personal loans could help you fund some of the most important moments in your life. M1 is a marketplace for finding loan providers for those big endeavors of your life. Here's how it works. First of all, you head to M1 and enter a bit of info about the loan you need. Then M1 intelligently matches you with lenders perfect for you. Finally, if approved, money is available and deposited to your account the very next day. Loan consultants will even help you sift through all your options to find the best loan for your specific needs. Why not see if you qualify? It will not affect your credit score. Have a car, bike, or scooter and want to make some extra cash this month? Look no further than Uber Eats. With Uber Eats, you can deliver food across town whenever and wherever it works for you and get paid. Just download the app and upload your personal documents. Once you're notified that you're active, you can start earning. The best part, you get to be your own boss. There are no supervisors or minimum time you have to deliver, and you can cash out your earnings up to 5 times a day with instant pay. Plus, you get to keep 100% of your earned tips, and you could even earn extra with promotional incentives when delivering during peak hours. With contactless deliveries and the car to yourself, you can roll down the windows, crank up the jams, and start earning whenever you want. Would $10,000 cash help pay some bills? PrizeGrab is an online sweepstakes website whose mission is to make sweepstakes simple, easy, and fun to enter. PrizeGrab has awarded more than $2 million in prizes to thousands of winners over the last several years. PrizeGrab's huge $10,000 cash sweepstakes ending soon. Just imagine what you could do with that amount of money. Millions of Americans suffer from diabetes, which can be painful and expensive. But now there is a new way to make a little extra money if you or someone you know suffers from the disease. For Diabetics is a new company that will pay you up to $30 for your unused diabetic test strips. It's as simple as placing your unopened packages in their free mailing kit, and they mail you a check in 2 to 8 business days. Getting signed up is free and only takes a minute. Stop throwing your unused test strips out and start making some money. A recent study showed that 92% of shoppers buy online. But what a lot of them don't know is that you can get paid to shop. My Points lets you earn points for each dollar you spend online, which can be turned into gift cards from more than 75 retailers, including Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. My Points members have been awarded over $236 million in gift cards and PayPal cash so far. They'll even give you a free $10 Amazon gift card just for making your first purchase. If you're spending time on social media, consider switching to one of the ways to make money listed above. You could also commit some of that spare time to take an online course so you can learn a high-demand freelancing skill. Over time, your commitment to making money and improving yourself will pay off. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.